Move like snow beneath the moon. I've seen this comment, these shorts. You are so sweet. A silent song. Did you make this? Once you go. Oh my gosh. So basically, it's like these shorts 2.0, right? Instead of you just saying, once you go white, you always stay tight. You start with, you try to like mess with us a little bit first. Like, oh, it's actually a very sweet poem. She moved like snow beneath the moon. A silent song, a silver tune. Eyes like ice, lips soft and bright. Once you go white, you always stay tight. These shorts. She traced my head with fingers. You have more these shorts. Light as our laughter dance beneath the candles glow. Then softly ask, is 5 inches too small below? These shorts, but at least you know what? You're spreading a lot of laughter around. I think a lot of us actually enjoy your little poems. Yes, size don't define. These shorts! What the hell? You have more? Yeah, size don't define how I handle the game. Confident, strong, I ain't playing for fame. She said, is the motion, not the inches at all. So I stand tall, even if I'm kind of small. Aww, New York. Are you saying this for me? Because I did say that. I did say that. Oh, I said the motion, not the inches. New York, I feel so special.